In this video, I'll show you how to log into either your vendor account or your super admin account. Before I go in and explain the differences between the two, I'll show you how to log in general and what's required. You'll need your email and your password, and you have to put them in the fields accordingly, and all you have to do is just click on the login button afterwards. So I have this dummy account loaded up for super admin. I'm going to log into that, and on the other tab I'm going to log into vendor account. Now that we have both opened, I'll give you the differences between the two. So this is a vendor account and this is a super admin account. Under the super admin account is every single changes that you need to do for the operation of your company. So you can do changes to restaurants, you can do changes to vendors, you can do changes to writers, you can add new writers, you can remove them, you can set up your coupons, your discounts, your promotional emails, your notifications. Every single thing is handled by the super admin account. The super admin account is provided by Enatega to all of the white label companies that work with us. Now, the vendor account just lists all of the restaurant and is made specifically for just one vendor working or partnering with your company. So you just have to log in to your vendor account if you're a fast food restaurant working for a certain company, or if you are a company that's partnered with several restaurants. All you have to do is you need to have a vendor account to log in, and you'll see a list of all of the restaurants. These are all dummy restaurants that we've created. I'll just click on any one of them and you should be able to see all of the settings on the left that you can amend and change anytime.